Hi everyone, I'm Molly with Echo Park Paper. Today I'm so excited to share a closer look at our Baking Christmas Cheer collection. At the heart of the collection is our 12x12 collection kit. This kit includes one each of the 12 double-sided pattern papers. Featuring 20 different patterns and 4 journaling cards, this Christmas-inspired collection brings sweet holiday warmth and homemade cheer to your creative projects. Perfect for scrapbooking cookie exchanges, family baking days, or treasured recipes, this collection helps you preserve the memories that make the season so special. Also included in our collection kits is a 12x12 element sticker sheet. This collection also includes a coordinating solids pack. Don't you worry, all you card makers out there, we haven't forgotten you. The patterns and elements in these paper pads have been perfectly scaled down, making them ideal for all your card making projects. Don't forget the embellishments! With brads, enamel dots, chipboard, washi tape, puffy stickers, are a classic ephemera, frames, and tags. This collection is packed with the perfect finishing touches. They feature all of your favorite baking-inspired illustrations as well as festive icons. Finally, we've used several of our favorite elements to create the dies, stamps, and stencils for this collection. These tools allow you to add layered detail, dimension, and a custom touch to every project. Shop the Baking Christmas Cheer collection today at echoparkpaper.com.